Hi and welcome back to a new video with Simone, one of our quick and easy face paints, and today it is going to be a seahorse face paint. You have seen this split cake before. This one is called Happy Birthday, and with this Simone is doing the eye makeup to make lovely colorful eyes. And once with a baby wipe everything is cleaned up, it is time to continue to the seahorse, and that one is also done with a split cake, and this is called Green Fairy. As you can see, it is very lovely pastel colors and amazing to create our seahorse with. With split cake Captain Obvious, Simone is creating some seaweed on the other side of her face. So it is just basic strokes using a filbert brush. A bit of white, this is Diamond FX white, to create the eye of the seahorse and some details in the seahorse body as well. And with black, this one is also by Diamond FX. We give some definition to the eye of our seahorse. And an outline as well. Just outline the entire seahorse in black. And then it is time for the small details, some air bubbles coming from the mouth of the seahorse and some nice white dots in the seaweed. And finally a nice light pink lipstick. And with that, our seahorse face paint tutorial for today is done. Well, we really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.